The City and County of Denver Parks Department rents the plaza in City Park next to Ferril Lake for different events, such as weddings, fundraisers, and concerts like City Park Jazz. And they charge a damage deposit before it can be rented out. Besides the normal dirt caused by hundreds of people walking around, many of the renters brought in caterers who left food grease behind. The Parks Department was having a hard time making charges to the damage deposits because the area wasn't spotless before they rented it out. They needed to get the whole area super clean to have a standard for how clean it should be after the events. Denver Parks called us to pressure wash, remove grease stains, and deep clean the whole area so they had a fresh start. We sent a two-man crew to pressure wash the entire City Park Plaza and bandshell. We had to make sure the wastewater from pressure washing didn't run into the storm drains that run directly into the lake. This is required by the Denver and Colorado stormwater regulations on pressure washing, discharge, and water recovery. After thoroughly deep cleaning and pressure washing the plaza area, the Denver Parks Department now has a standard for renters to meet. Many of the renters call us so they know they're getting the same quality of pressure washing the City of Denver expects.